Hey, this is Alex from 3DChimera. We just got back from Formnext in Frankfurt, Germany, and we're super excited to share with you what some of our partners released at the show. We also had a great opportunity to show off our Dyeformer to the world for the first time. The Dyeformer is a great system to dye 3D printed parts with a one-button press.
We're here with our L6 3D scanner. It's one of our high accuracy, larger field of view 3D scanners where we can capture detailed 3D data in milliseconds.
The Sintratec S3 with the new material core unit basically is perfect to create your flexible production factory.
Here we have the TiQ5. It's a higher temperature filament 3D printer with an integrated dryer.
One of our most popular products, existing since 2014 on the market. It's very mature, very economic.
We're excited to bring you all these new innovations from our partners here at 3DChimera in 2023.